Please join us in welcoming our friends from the land of the bewitching bayous. Please welcome our friends from the land of the enchanted woodlands. And now, please welcome our friends from the land of the Mystic Mountains.